In this video, I'll show you how to activate voice chat in Roblox. Let's get into it. Okay, so you're gonna want to log into your Roblox account and then go over to settings, click on that. And if you haven't already, you want to verify a phone number and verify your email address linked to the account. To get voice chat, you need to verify your age. So click on that. And if you're on the mobile, what you want to do is go to the same spot in settings, click on the triple dots at the bottom, scroll down to settings, go to account info, and here you'll see verify my age. So you can go ahead and click on that. Or if you're on the PC, you need to download a QR scanner on your phone, or sometimes it works in the camera app, but we're going to use a QR scanner. We're going to scan the QR code and it's going to take us to the identification website. You're going to need a valid government ID. So you can use a driver's license, passport, ID card, a residence permit, one of those four. To do this, you need to be over the age of 13 at least, or a parent or guardian can do this for you. So you're going to need to copy the URL address down here, the magicverifier.me, and you got to paste that link into Chrome. So if you're not using Chrome, so if you don't have Chrome downloaded on your phone, just make sure to go ahead and do that because this won't work on any other browser. So open up Google Chrome. And you want to paste the link that we copied up the top here. There we go. Now it's going to ask you to confirm your identity. So grab your government ID and press let's go. And you're going to need to scan. And then you're going to be asked to take a selfie. So just go ahead and do that. Then you're going to get this message saying thank you for your verification data has been successfully submitted. And it shouldn't take too long before your account is verified if the ID is valid. And as you can see on the computer, it says your age is now verified. You may need to go ahead and refresh the page. But in your settings, it should now say age verified. And it also lets you know if you change your birthday that you will need to re-verify your age. Okay, now to enable voice chat, you want to go to the privacy tab, which is over here underneath security. And at the top, it should say enable voice chat. So go ahead and click enable. Yeah, go ahead and read through the community standards if you need to, and then press enable. To enable voice chat on your phone, make sure your age is verified first by going to account info. And it should look the same as on the computer. It should say age verified with a little tick next to it. And now you can go ahead and enable voice chat by going to privacy, and at the top it should say enable voice chat. Okay, now we're going to test the voice chat and see if it works. Not all games will have the voice chat feature enabled. You might have to search for some servers that do. Right now I'm in the community space server and they have it enabled, but as you can see, my voice chat isn't working. If I go ahead and unmute, it's not flashing green like it's supposed to. That means I have the wrong mic connected. So we're going to go ahead and press escape, bring down our menu, go to settings and down to input device. So find the correct microphone that you usually use and then press resume. So as you can see, the mic is working now because you got the little flashes of green that pops up. That's how you tell it's working. So you may need to keep switching in between the input devices to find the correct mic. But once you find it, you will now be able to talk to anyone in the server. So that is it for this video. If it did help, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out a lot. And that is it from me. Peace out.